Hi guys, so are you ready for ultimate flavor mashup? Today we are taking a creamy smoky magic of Indian chicken tikka and fusing it with the irresistible sizzle of classic fried rice. Get ready for our incredible chicken tikka fried rice. This isn't just leftover rice, this is a true flavor explosion. We are talking about succulent, charred pieces of marinated chicken combined with perfectly seasoned aromatic fried rice. It's smoky, savory, and absolutely addictive. The ultimate comfort food fusion that's even better than your favorite takeaway. Whether you need a show-stopping weekend meal or just a best way to use up yesterday's rice, this recipe is a guaranteed winner. So let's get those wok heated up and let's get cooking. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, please do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. So now, let's begin with this recipe. So first take 500 grams boneless chicken. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon lemon juice, half cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, half tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon red food color, 3 tablespoon cooking oil, 1 stock cube. Then give it a nice mix. And marinate the chicken for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan add oil, and simply fry the chicken. Make sure to keep the leftover marination to use it later. Fry it for about 8 to 10 minutes. Cook it until the chicken is fully cooked. As you can see that the chicken has got a nice brown color. Make sure it is something like this. When ready, simply leave it in a separate plate. As you can see that the chicken is perfectly cooked. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 4 garlic cloves chopped, 2-inch ginger chopped, 2 green chilies chopped, 2 small red peppers, and fry it for a minute. Then add 3 carrots cut in small cubes, 1 cup green beans cut in small pieces. Then fry it until the carrots and beans are nice and soft. Then add 1 red bell pepper cut in small cubes, and fry it until the red bell peppers are nice and soft. Then add some salt to taste. Add half teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon garam masala, half teaspoon cumin powder, half tablespoon chaat masala, 2 stock cubes, and then fry the masalas for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let the masalas nicely cook with the vegetables. Then add the remaining chicken marination which was kept and fry it for about a minute. Then add the chicken tikka and then give it a nice mix. Then add 1 large bowl cooked basmati rice, add half tablespoon dark soya sauce, add handful of chopped coriander leaves, and then give it a nice mix. Then add 2 cubes butter and fry the rice for about 5 to 7 minutes. Let the rice nicely fry with the butter. So the chicken tikka fried rice is ready. And there you have it guys, your very own smoky and absolutely delicious chicken tikka fried rice. Just look at that perfect fusion of tender charred chicken and fragrant perfectly seasoned rice. This is the ultimate comfort food crossover, and I promise you it's even better than anything you can order in. I truly hope you enjoyed making this recipe. It's perfect for a weekend feast or for any other occasion. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are of those flavor mashup. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.